Hi, in this video we are going to continue the creation of the web design prototype. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found on this web page or this URL, which is loaded here. At the end of this video, you should be able to create this navigation or just the mock-up of the navigation, and we are going to create a clipping mask with a frame around here so that we can duplicate them later in the next videos. So let me close this. Let's create the text here first. Okay. Alright, we are going to start from here, so let's move it here a little bit, zoom in. We are going to cover from here to here. So use the text tool. I think we can just bring out the character just in case. Okay, let's choose Arial. Arial regular and very normal font, okay, because later you are going to use text for it. You're not going to use graphics, so let's choose a regular font. Arial is very regular, so let's say size is 15. This is auto. Oh, sorry, 15. Auto and 0, 0, and 100%, 0. And the color, let's use the same color as the First Presbyterian Church, which I have it here. Let's use that. So let's use that. Now we can type. Oops, I need it to be left aligned, so I have home. Okay, this corresponds to the site structure you decided in the beginning. I think I still have a site structure somewhere here. I still have the site structure document here. Your client agrees with you, so you have your home, you have your visitors, worship, education, that's right here. We still have preschool and comparison. Okay, so you have to follow what the client wants. So let's carry on. Education. Okay. All right, that's good. Let's move it a little bit to. Let's use the arrow key to move it. That's easier. Okay, I think that's good for now, you know, to show the client or something. I think that's nice. Okay. I mean, when you actually code it, it will look slightly different, so it doesn't really matter that much. Let's move on to do the... Oh, let's move this up a little bit. So it's here. And I think I finished the top title and top navigation. Let me zoom out. So I finished all the things I need on top. Oops, that's not good. I also changed the First Presbyterian Church. That's not good. So I have to change this one back. So I have to change this back to what we did previously. And that is a different font. That's that font. 28, 20, 10, okay. And this one is changed as well. I think I forgot to deselect it or something. So this should be 12. 20. And 10. Okay, that's good. All right, so we finished the top. So let us collapse this layer and lock it. Okay, just in case we change stuff accidentally again. All right, so we get the title, and so be careful when you change some text, don't accidentally change the other one. And the next thing we want to do is to create here we are going to create a frame, and we are going to create a clipping mask. So select the middle navigation. Okay, let's create a frame first so that we can put picture inside. You don't need such special effects, but I just want to show how things are done. So let's select a rectangle tool. Okay, and let's do the fill. I want to choose a slightly different color. Okay, so let's choose a different color, and let me key in something slightly darker than the background. I can choose same color as the background, but if you choose something slightly darker, the frame will look stronger. And anyway, I'm going to cover it with clipping mask. So I'm going to do a 163E39, which is like the background but stronger. And then no stroke. Okay, no stroke. So that's the fill. That's the stroke, and I'm going to create a rectangle that is 80 times 80. Oops. Okay. I do not have my info window, but you can see that is 80 times 80, right? Pretty obviously from here. Okay. So I created this in the middle navigation. Okay. And I did not mess up anything because everything is locked. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to attach a frame to it. Before that, let's rename this to frame, and then I'm going to attach a inner bevel. An inner bevel. Do not use global light. 72 is fine. Let's use 2 and 0. Okay. I just want a very, very shallow frame, so I don't want to soften it. The angle, I want to do make a frame that looks like it's going in instead of coming out. So angle, I wanted to change to -45, which is here, kind of weird. And make sure it's not global. Okay, do not use global light. And say OK. So if you zoom in, I created some kind of a frame there. Okay, and now I want to attach a clipping mask to the to here, so I can put photograph inside. So I'm going to, probably it's a good idea to deselect. No, I cannot deselect, so that's good. We are good. So let's do a rectangular Marquee 2. Before we move on, let's choose a very bright color, so you know that this is for clipping Mars. Okay, and let me bring out the info window. Oh, the properties window is here. Oh, let's switch it off. Let's bring out the info window and the properties window. Okay, both are fine. So let's look at the info window, Marquee 2. Let's draw something that is 76 times 76, covers everything that is not, oops, I think I did the wrong thing. Undo, step backward. Sorry, I forgot to create a new layer. Very important. Make sure you create a new layer before you do the clipping mask, or else there's no mask. And then rename it to clipping mask middle. Okay, sorry about that. And now use the rectangular Marquee 2. Grow from the, that's not good. That's not good. Alright, let's try that again. I only want to cover the area that have no shadow, no bevel. So you should get 76 times 76. That only covers the place that you want the picture to be shown. So that is very nice. 76 times 76. Oops, I don't see that now. 76 times 76. Okay. And then use your paint bucket tool to draw it over. Okay, so you have a very nice clipping mask middle. Okay, you don't need to duplicate this because later we are going to duplicate it anyway. So that's a good place to stop. Don't forget to save. Alternate zoom to zoom out. In the next video, we are going to put one picture on it, and then we are going to create the rest of the picture or buttons. Okay, here. All right, that's a good place to stop. Thanks for watching.